Hi, I'm Quinten. Today we're going to get started with the new song request update. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create an event, how to request songs, and how to mark them as played while you're DJing. Let's get started. We first have to log in. Then we have to enter our credentials. Mine are pre-filled, as you can see here. This is the dashboard. Dashboard keeps you up to date with information on your events, as well as keeping you informed on how long your trial will remain active, if you are on a trial subscription. We have not yet created an event, therefore this page is empty. Let's go to the Events tab to create our first event. You can click on Events on the left side of your screen to open the Events overview. We are now on the Events tab. Let's create an event. We'll call this event Demo Event, because that's what it is. In your case, you might want to give it a more specific name to match the purpose of your event. We'll also give it a date. Let's go with February 1st for now. We'll mark this event as visible because we want people to be able to request songs immediately. If you don't want it to be visible to the public just yet, you can leave this unchecked. We can also set a request limit, which means that a single person can request a maximum of 10 songs. We'll also set a shortcut. This is a URL that's easy to remember and easy to share. I'll call this one shortcut, but you can use something else. We've created the event. On this page, you can confirm the information you just entered. It also shows you a couple of URLs. Let's get started with the event URL. This page allows you to submit requests. It contains the title that you've entered before and it mentions the request limit. To request a song, a guest will have to log in. Since I've done this before, the computer already knows who I am. Therefore, we'll open an incognito tab. That way I can show you what new guests will see. I'll quickly copy the URL, go to an incognito tab, and paste the URL again. As you can see, the page looks the same. I'll enter a song name and I'll try to request it. You now see that I have to enter my name and email address. We do this so we can trace who requested a song and because we need a unique identifier. Because you are the only person that has access to your email address, this is the perfect method. You can see that the song I've just entered has now been requested. It provides us with a Spotify link and it allows us to retract our vote if we've done so by mistake. I'll quickly enter a different song just to make it a bit interesting. Now that we've requested a couple of songs, we can go back to our admin and reload the page. You can see that 2 songs have been requested. Everything went alright. You see Bohemian Rhapsody and Party Rock Anthem, just like I entered them. At the bottom of the page you can see my name and you can see that I have manually entered my information. We'll now look at one last page, the organizer page. Let's find the organizer URL. This page looks similar to the previous one, but it gives the user a bit more power. Unlike the previous page, you have a couple of buttons here on the right-hand side. You can remove the vote, but you can now also mark the song as played, or you can block the song, which means that it cannot be requested again. This page is really useful for both an organizer of the event, like a couple that's about to be married, a club manager, or someone celebrating their birthday, but also really useful to the DJ, because once you play a request, you do not want it in your view anymore. If I decide I'll play Party Rock Anthem, I can mark it as played and it will be moved to the bottom of the list. You can now see that it has a mark signaling you that the song has been played, and that you can reverse that action on the right hand side. I think this is enough for now. We've logged in, we created an event, we've requested a couple of songs, and we've even taken a look at the organizer page. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments, or you can send us an email at info@songrequest.com. I hope this was helpful to you, and I hope to see you again. Bye bye.